Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be discussing how you can buy now and pay later on Amazon without a credit check and also without a credit card. QuadPay is an app that can be downloaded in the App Store. Once you download the app, you sign up using your basic information, name, phone number, address. There is no credit check for this app. Based off your basic information you input, they collect a little bit of data about you just based off that, and they start you out with a credit limit. Most people start out with a $200 or a low credit limit, and then once you make purchases and pay on time, they will up that credit limit. But then you can shop on Amazon with your credit limit. You can shop at other stores that they have. They also have a digital credit card that you can put into your Apple Pay and essentially use your credit limit anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. The way QuadPay works is it stretches out your payment or your purchase amount into 4 equal payments every 2 weeks. This normally can correspond to people's pay schedule. Your first payment would be due at the time of purchase. Your second payment would be due 2 weeks after that. Your third payment would be due 2 weeks after that. And your fourth and final payment would be due 2 weeks after that. Essentially stretching out your purchase so you can pay for it over a 2-month period rather than having to pay for all of it up front. In lieu of interest, QuadPay charges $1 a payment as their fee. So since you're stretching your purchase out into 4 equal payments, you will essentially be paying a fee of $4 to use QuadPay. My experience has been they don't charge the $1 fee on payments you don't make. So I ordered something and then my order got canceled. So they refunded my total purchase price, and then I didn't have to pay the $3 fees for the 3 payments that were left. Since your first payment is due upon purchase, I did have to pay the $1 fee for that first payment that was due the day of purchase. So to find QuadPay, I've got my phone right here. I will be recording the screen and putting it up so you can see what I do. You would just go to the App Store, open your App Store up, and just type in QuadPay, Q-U-A-D-P-A-Y. It's going to be the one that comes up in blue here. You just click on it, and then you would click to download. Now I've already got it downloaded, so I'm just going to click to open my app. And I've already got my account set up, so I'm just going to open my app and leave it open. But one thing I do want to note, when you first sign in and everything, you're going to want to go to your account and set up your payment methods. Now I'm not going to click on mine because my card is in there. You do want to set up your debit card or credit card that you want your payments to be automatically processed and drafted from. Now with QuadPay, when you go to use QuadPay to pay for your purchase, they are going to ask you how much you plan on spending. You can put in any amount here. They will only charge you for what you end up spending, and they will adjust the amounts in your remaining 3 payments once your order processes. However, when I'm shopping on Amazon, I like to know exactly what I am spending so that it doesn't have to be adjusted. So what I like to do is first go into the Amazon app and act like I am completing the purchase so I know exactly what my total is going to be, and then go back and complete it with QuadPay. I'm getting ready to show you how I process an order with QuadPay, but before I do that, if you like this video, please like down below and subscribe to help me out. Thank you. So what I like to do first is go into my Amazon app, and I've already got a few things on my wish list that I would like to order, so we are just going to go to my wish list and add those items to my cart. I have a massive Amazon list. And so I'm just in my regular Amazon app right now, nothing special. I'm just going to go to my cart, and this is what I like to do. You can see my subtotal is $74.98, and that's one thing I forgot to mention. With QuadPay, in order to use it for an order, you have to spend at least $35. However, that is not very hard to do on Amazon. So I act like I'm going to check out, but I don't complete the purchase. I hit proceed to check out. I select my shipping address. I have Prime, so I select my Prime delivery. I don't want to use my gift card balance. So my order total you see right here with estimated tax to be collected is $80.04. So now I just close out my Amazon app and I go into my QuadPay app that we had opened before. I go into my QuadPay app now. I click on Amazon. I open up my cart. And remember, we saw that the total was $80.04. So I'm going to hit pay with QuadPay. And how much do I plan on spending? I plan on spending $80.04. Hit continue. And so it'll show you how your order is split into 4 payments. I will have $21.01 due now that will be billed to my card I have on file. And then these gives you the payment dates. And every order is going to be $21.01 due February 9th, February 23rd, and March 9th. So today is January 26th. So I can essentially purchase my order today, January 26th, and not have to finish paying for it until March 9th. And it shows you your card on file, which I'm going to black that out. Nobody needs to see my card on file. And you just hit continue. And it does its thing. And then you can see this blue bar pop up at the bottom. It'll give you your temporary card number to use for this purchase only, your expiration date, a CVC code, and my zip code. So here is the cool thing. So now if I hit proceed to checkout, and we'll use this delivery address. I want Prime shipping. I don't want to use my gift card balance. And here's the cool thing. Now that you're in the QuadPay, if you hit add payment method, add a credit or debit card, it will automatically, because you're in the QuadPay app, it will automatically populate your name, the card number, the expiration, and everything. So you don't have to type any of that in. You just click add new payment because this is for a one-time use payment. It automatically populates it. You add your card. Make sure that card number is selected, and then you continue just scrolling through your screens and completing your purchase like you normally would. So we are going to continue. Choose a billing address. I'm going to use this address. And then I like to check over everything before you place your order. So then it shows order total $80.04. That's what we put in we were spending. If you put in a lesser amount and there's not enough that you put in on QuadPay, it will not process your order. So make sure, if anything, you overestimate and let them adjust it down. My delivery date is in 2 days, January 28th. Everything looks good. Prime shipping. Alright, hit place your order. And my order using QuadPay has been completed. So now I'm just going to close this page. You may close your cart, confirm. And now we notice the QuadPay app has updated. My available balance has now got my purchase order removed from it. And then if I go to orders, I can see my order is processing with Amazon. And I can click on this and it says your order is in progress. But that is basically how you can make purchases on Amazon. Alright, that is going to be it for how you can make purchases on Amazon and stretch it out over payments with no credit check. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already to be notified of when I post new videos. Thank you.